everyone and welcome back. Today we are making dirty rice. So subscribe, click the notification bell and let's get started. So in my pot I added vegetable oil and I allowed it to heat up a little bit, and then I added chopped onion and thyme again, and curry. So I'll go ahead and give it a good mix, and finally I would be adding my washed rice. I mean properly washed rice. Okay, I washed that rice more than 5 times. Okay, so I'll now add the rice and fry the rice.
I find peace in simple tasks. A little love, a little flame, a little magic in my name. Gift, that's who I am. Stirring dreams in every bowl, pouring heart into every soul. From my kitchen to your life, taste the love, feel light. From Giftedkitchen straight to you, every flavor pure and true.
So after frying the rice for like 3 minutes, I added water to it, and I added no cube as well. So I added salt, pepper, and I topped it up with a little bit water again, and then I'll cover it and allow it to cook.
Cooking dreams.
So after washing my fish and spicing it, so I went ahead and deep fry it in hot oil. So that is what you're looking.
Sweet beginning.
And voila, my rice is well cooked. You can see how it came out very nice. So there is still a little bit of water in it, so I'll still cover it and allow the water to completely dry off. So my rice was ready, so I had to take it out from heat.
A pinch of hope, a dash of grace, a thousand smiles.
So in another pot I added oil, and I fried my onion. So and then I added ginger and garlic.
In every taste, stories rise like homemade.
So I added the key ingredients to this meal, which is minced meat. Okay, so it's called dirty rice. How are you going to make dirty rice without the minced meat? So you see how the minced meat is going to make this food dirty and delicious as well. So go ahead and give it a good mix,
With every word and tear I've shed, stirring dreams in every bowl.
So at this stage, I spiced the meat, and with no cube. You all know already that I use no cube a lot in my house, and I added salt and thyme and curry, a little bit of paprika and pepper. So then I went ahead to mix everything together. So at this point I allowed the meat to cook properly. So you can see oil that popped out of it. So whenever you see this oil popping out of your minced meat, know that it has been cooked properly. So then I went ahead to spice it more with onion. I added scotch bonnet peppers, red, green and yellow peppers. So and then I gave it a good mix again. Okay, mixy things. So I allowed the veggies to simmer for a minute, and then I took it off the heat. So I went ahead to mix everything together. You know, the usual way we mix our fried rice. You mix your veggies with the cooked rice. So that was the method I used here. So there are other ways also of making dirty rice. Some people just fry the minced meat and go ahead, add their rice and cook, fry their veggies and cook everything all together. So feel free to use any method of your choice, okay? So me also sometimes I use other methods, okay?
From Gifted Kitchen straight to you, every flavor pure and true. So when you're lost or feeling low, come find me where the warm lights glow. I'll be here.
So after mixing, I rinsed my pot with a little water and I poured into the rice. So I turned it to combine everything thoroughly. So, and I covered the pot and allow it to cook for just 2 minutes so that everything will combine properly, okay?
I'll be strong. Gifted Kitchen, it's where you belong.
So finally, I had to sprinkle spring onion on it. So by now, you should know that I have a relationship with spring onion. You should know by now, okay? So I had to do that. It's a game changer for me. I don't know. So finally, my dirty rice is ready. So guys, tell me, is the dirty rice dirty at all? So I went ahead to dish out our food, and guys, this food was yummy. It was really delicious. I cannot tell you how delicious this food is unless you try it by yourself. We finished the whole pot of rice at the same time. So guys, will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So guys, that will be all for now. See you in my next video. Bye.
From Gifted